We got this 2015 Newmar Dutch Star a few months ago, and we're still working on some projects to make it our own. Today I'm going to show you one. When we bought this motorhome, one of the things that really caught our eye in a negative way was the screen door. And it's a nice screen door design-wise, but the previous owner had allowed something to get between the glass or the plexiglass panels here and scratch it up. It's not probably real easy to see on camera, but it is a first impression for everybody who enters our motorhome, so I want to fix this. The screen door is latched against the main door. There's really no way to get it open other than opening the panel, reaching through, grabbing the lever, closing the panel, closing the screen door. In order to open the screen door when you're inside, you have to open the panel, reach through, open the knob, close the panel, and then open the screen door. I recently learned on a Facebook group that the screen doors for the Newmar Dutch Stars are primarily made by PTL, if not exclusively made by PTL. So, in addition to that, they said that PTL offers a solution for this crazy door. And here it is. You can buy a panel from them. It's got a flipper on it. And this allows you to operate the door handle from the inside with brand new plexiglass. In addition to that, I also ordered a replacement piece for the other side. Now this piece here, they're custom made. You take some measurements of where your door latch is, and it costs about $100, and the replacement piece cost about another $40. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to change this. It's the first time I've done it, so bear with me. Okay, first thing is we slide the panel all the way over, and if you look down in these crevices, there's a white plastic U-channel down there and up here, and it's inverted, so we need to pull that out. Thin blade screwdriver, reach down, grab that, and pull it out. Okay. Do the same up top. And these panels will just pull right out. Okay. Now the fixed one is held on by some glue or something over here. So it's going to take a little bit of persuasion to get loose. And they're out. Now, as you can imagine, the bottom of this U-channel, it's got a little bit of debris in there, so I'll clean that out. I use my hand to form a cup over the tip of this so that the airflow is directed towards the tip, and that seems to pull a lot of the debris out. All right, we're going to start with our replacement piece. And you can see it's still got protective coating on there, which I'm going to leave on. And then in the back, it's got the adhesive on here, which I'll have to peel the backing loose. We're going to do a test fit first. Okay, and it fits nicely. You can see that this replacement one comes with a felt, to protect the other piece of plexiglass, so hopefully it won't get scratched up again. Okay, that's one. Oh. All right, so we're going to put this in. Adhesive goes towards the back of the door or the outside of the door. Slide that in, keeping the adhesive away. I'm just going to let it hang out. So we're going to drop these in and get the top channel in. Or actually, we can put the top channel in before I put them both in. All right. Top channel is in. So now when I pull this panel up, it will be in the correct location where I want it to stay forever. Okay, so it can stay stuck there. Next one comes in. Again, I can push it all the way up. Okay. Got it in place. So I've got my other panel. Drop it down. And then raise it up into place. Get the bottom channel going. So, other than removing the paneling and cleaning the glass, I think our installation's done. So now, when the door is closed, how is that? Index, please. So here's the finished door. It operates normally here, but to unlatch it from the inside, now we've got this nice little flipper. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll subscribe to my channel and give me a like.